Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to uninstall apps on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually three ways in uninstalling apps on iPhone. So the first step is to simply press and hold on the app that you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall CapCut, so click on it and hold it. Simply click on Remove App and then click on Delete App right here. Once you click Delete App, simply click on the Delete App once again, and then now you have uninstalled the app. And then for the second step, you just simply do the same step, press and hold on the app, but slightly move to whichever you want. So like this one. And then you may see that there is a minus button right here or a dash. So you just simply click on it and click on delete app just like the last one. So this is helpful whenever you want to delete a lot of apps from your phone instead of the first step, which is you just simply um, press and hold on it, and then you may only delete one app at a time. And then for the third step is to open your settings. So open your settings, go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Once you're here, you just simply need to wait. So depending on your phone, so this page will load longer. And then once you're here, simply scroll down and look for the app that you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall this PixArt. Simply click on it and then click on Delete App right here and click on Delete App once again. So that's it. That's how you can uninstall apps on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.